So there's our car, and we're in bay number 11 because we're in the chalet number 11. We've got our own front garden and table and chairs. Probably wouldn't use that much. Let's have a look at the address in case anybody wants to see. Where's the address? There's the address. Okay. That's the veranda. You have your hooks for your coats. And you walk in, it's quite nice and spacious. You got your TV, you got your settee, and a big space there. This first door you have, and it smells beautiful. Nice bathroom. Where is the light though? Oh, I don't know where the light is to it. I don't know. Ah, it's round here. So here you've got a long mirror. Right, you've got your lights there around the corner. Here's your bathroom. Sorry about that. Nice big deep bath. Wow. This is what I love about these. They used to be called DELUXE, but they've changed them to Comfort Plus rooms. You got a hanger on the back. And then you got one bedroom in here. Quite a big bed, big room. They are big rooms, to be fair. You've got an under-counter fridge, plenty of room for your clothes. You have a safe, just a small one. You could get probably a small iPad thing in. It's not as big as a laptop. You've got your iron, you've got your iron board. They give you these. So it's a lovely room, this is, and a nice chalet. I'd say these are probably the best chalets I do. I haven't been in the lakeside ones, and I am going to be going in them, but already I can tell you, you're not guaranteed your own parking space. Where here, right where you are, you can see your car park. So it's lovely. You got a veranda and everything, and these doors open like that if you want them to. Nice. So there we are. I am pleased. We've got food planned with this. It's I don't know, it's Monday to Friday, October the 20th for 4 nights. And I can't remember how much we paid, to be quite honest. But if I do find out how much I paid, I'll put it on the end of the video. There's something else I'll add as well. The fact that you've got Wi-Fi here, you know, the hub is right there, so you've got good Wi-Fi. That's something I didn't know. So these Comfort Room Pluses are very good. So you get your internet free, and you get good internet compared to the usual. So watching a bit of TV, and as I promised, I have found out the price of what we paid for this holiday. For 2 people in a Comfort Room Plus with food court food at the restaurant, which is the cheapest restaurant of the 2, come to £294.40. That's for a midweek here Minehead, Butlins, and it's the 20th of October to the 24th of October. So there you are, and I think it's worth the money as well.